Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. Where's all my body surface area people at? I have researched this and I would like to show you what I have learned. Okay? And I'm Julie the nursing tutor, hey. Okay, don't look at that yet. A client weighs 50 pounds and has a height of 40 inches. What is the body surface area? First of all, I'd like to take this little umbrella, the square root, and kind of set it to the side because it's distracting. But you need the weight in kilograms times the height in centimeters and 33,600. They don't give you this, but when you're using the formula method for the square root, this is always on the bottom. So carve out a little section in your frontal lobe and burn that in. 3,600 goes on the bottom, okay? You're good. So, look, dookie fart, sorry. We know 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So if we take 50 pounds and divide it by 2.2, we're gonna get 22.7 kilograms. You can pause me, try it in a calculator. And we have to know 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. 2.5. 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. You're gonna have to burn that right next to the little Mr. 3,600. Unless you've already learned that, then kudos to you. But so 40 inches times 2.5 centimeters is 100 centimeters. So we're going to do all the math on the top and divide it by that number right there. Okay? Here we go. Get your handy calculator and do it with me so you know how to do it. 22.7 times 100 equals, don't even look at it because you're not done, divided by 3,600 equals, that is going to be 0.63. Now, if I had a calculator that had a dead blank square root, I would just hit the square root right now, okay? But let me just do that. So 22.7 times 100 equals, divided by 3,600 equals. Then hit your square root. Make sure you know where it's at. Squared. And you're going to take it 2 places behind the decimal. It's going to be 0.79. You don't believe me? Okay. There's my grandbaby. Look, 0.79. Okay? So let's do this next one. So you got a 10-year-old is ordered a stat dose of morphine sulfate for IV for pain. The child weighs 90 pounds and he is 52 inches. Now, if they would have given you 4 feet, 4 inches, you would have to know that there's 12 inches in a foot. And you'd multiply 12 times that 4 right there. And then you'd add them 4 inches right there on the right hand. And it would equal 52 inches. Okay? Now, remember what it said up here? We're going to have to multiply 52 times 2.5 centimeters. And we're going to have to divide by 2.2 to get the kilograms. Because look, a fat girl wants to hear her weight in kilograms. I mean, I could say that because I'm healthy. But don't hate. Okay, so I'm going to switch back over to this. And clear. And I'm going to do 90 divided by 2.2. See, look, you saw what I did? I'd have killed somebody, goodness ness. Divided by 2.2 equals. That's going to be, and we're going to take it one place behind the decimal. Because look, nothing else back there going to do nothing to change anything. So he's 40.9 kilograms. And then we're going to do 52 times 2.5 equals. Look, thank God it's a nice solid whole number. 130 centimeters. And then we're going to set our problem up. It's 40, you can still see me, 0.9 kilograms times 130 centimeters. That number that we have to burn right next to the other one, 3,600. You know, just because we can. And then we're gonna do the math. We're gonna do all the math on the top and divide it by that on the bottom. So come with me. Okay, y'all know it. Some of y'all know what I was singing. 40.9 times 130 equals divided by 3,600 equals. Okay. And then she may want you to write that down, but you're gonna leave every single bit of it right there and hit the square sign. And it will be, I did hit the square root, you see that? It'll be 1.215, and that 5's gonna make that a 2. Because you have to do 2 places behind the decimal point. Help them, Lord. Don't let me mess them up. And that's gonna be meters squared. So let me show you what I said 40.9 times 130 equals divided by 3,600 equals. If she wanted me to put something down here, because I would put equals 1.769. I'd just let her know just exactly where this sucker was trailing us to. Because after that, then you have to hit the square root to get your final answer. And that's as much help as I can give you. 2.5 centimeters times the height in inches. And then just that 3,600. And if she puts more than that on there, then she should have taught it better in class, all I'm saying. I'm sure I shouldn't have said that, but I mean, if instructors can't work it for you, it is not right for them to expect you to work what they can't. I mean, and that seems like logic, but man, that crap's missing. So look, I'm Julie, and I hope you enjoyed every moment of it. I hope this fulfilled everything you could have wanted it to. And please share, like, share again, and tell everybody that we got body surface area here. And I hope you have a wonderful night.